Welcome back, Saber fans. This is Obi-Wan Sabers. I am Kevin, and as promised from the TXQ or LGT video, we're going to do a teardown on the Revan Jedi saber. Let's get right into that. Okay, so the design on this, as I was saying in the other video, is really good. I really like this one, but let's see how they put this thing together. Standard pommel. Oh, that does not come off. Good. Belt clip. One thing I did notice about these, the design on the chassis, the core, the electronics core on these, a little bit different than LGT because they've got the two connectors. There's another connector in here that connects to the button configuration and the LED setup. So this is really impressive. Got easy access to the SD card, battery pops right out. Just perfect, really nice. So we can't unscrew this because these are actually screwed on. I don't know what they're called, like a flare or something like that, but the Allen key that comes with it is a little bit smaller than the standard one, which is used there. It's actually a Phillips screwdriver that keeps those on. Be careful not to lose those because they are tiny. Well, I guess a lot of stuff on here is like tiny. Set screws and whatnot. Screws. Oh yeah, there's a little screw down plate on the emitter too that holds those in place. That would be that. And then these just pop right off. So, super cool, really handy. I like that. Really nice design on that. So, let's see what we got here. Alright, our grip. Now we're seeing the other half of the core that just fits together really nice. Super cool design on that, really impressed. So in order to get this out, there's two screws on the bottom, and then the rings that are holding the buttons in actually come off as well. They just unscrew. It's kind of obvious, isn't it? And I do believe this one's the standard, yep, the standard size Allen key. Now that I'm thinking about it, like the smaller Allen key that comes with the TXQ sabers are for the set screws. The set screws are actually a lot smaller than the LGT, so that is the difference on those. And that should. There we go. There it is. There's the core. Cool. Its own board right on there for the buttons. Should be really neat. And then we got our switch. You know what? For a budget saber, these are actually really good. I really like these. So let's put it back together, and we'll throw a blade in it, and we'll see how it works. Okay, we are back together. What impressive design from TXQ Sabers. We are now offering on the website, ObiWanSaber.ca. Check out the site. Nope.
Power on.
There it is.
The butcher. Power off.
Cool. Let's throw a blade in this. Operations test Revan Jedi lightsaber. Get yours today. ObiWanSabers.ca. Wait a minute. This isn't going to work for me. We got to do something about all this. This isn't quite right. Let's put on some lights in here. I like it. Let's put in some atmosphere. I like it. All right. Wait. One more thing. That's better. All right. Mr. Control works.
Music tune. Ignition 3.
Ignition 3. Ignition scrolling options. That's good.
Basic 3.
Basic 3. That's flickery.
Ignition 4.
Ignition 4. Like a stack ignition. There it is. That's the Revan Jedi lightsaber. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So much thank you for the support, and we'll see you in the next video.